Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just have a really quick and small haul to share. Let me get this board out of the way first. Okay, so first of all, went to Walmart. I had to go and find some these little clips for the back of your cell phone, as I wanted to use for, we're getting on the road soon, and I don't have any like kind of holding device where I had on my other phone, so I got that. I think they were $4.99 or something like that, so I got two actually. So if my husband likes it, this is for me. It's kind of like the rose gold color, and this is the black. And that could be for him if he likes it. The other thing was I found this charm set at Walmart, and it was $3.98, I believe it was. And guys, it has literally 3 mermaids on here. This is one, it's sitting in like a little circle, and then here's another one just posing, you know, floating on. Really pretty. And then this one right here, it's really cute. I think she's holding like a seashell or something. Okay, very cute. And then there's a crab, and two seashells, there's a starfish, 2 seashells, and then you have this little circle here which is like double-sided, and it also has some seashells on there. So this was in the jewelry section in the craft aisle, and it is Cousin DIY Charms, 8 pieces. Good price for these little medals. I mean, as far as I know, it's a good price. And the other thing I was eyeing at Michael's was the storage bins, and Walmart had it, and they just had like maybe, I want to say 6, yeah, and it's the large photo and craft keeper. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I picked that up. I was tempted to get 2 because there's just so much ephemera right now laying around, and the embellishments from the ladies that participated in my birthday giveaway. I just wanted to say that it's the same as the one I got from Tuesday Morning, minus the large case. See, this is the one I picked up at Tuesday Morning, and it was $3.99, I think it was. Same exact containers. Okay, and it also has the flip open latch. So same quality as the Tuesday Morning, but they were like sold in one set. It was like one set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the Tuesday Morning had 6 in a set. This one has 3, 6, 7, so 8, and so 2 of each color, so 8 of that. Great deal, I think. $14.99, I think it was. And at Michael's, before the sale price, I think it was, I don't know, I forgot, but it was more than 14 when I saw it at the time when I went to Michael's, which was already like 3 weeks ago. Who knows what the price is now, but you know, comment down below if you know the price they sell it for at Michael's. But I thought this was a great deal, $14.99. It's closer to where I live. It's right here at Walmart. And yeah, I just picked one up for today, and if it's still there when I go back again, I might pick up another one, and just easier to contain all the embellishments that came in, because right now I'm putting them all in a shoebox as of right now. The other thing I wanted to share, it's a little project share. I made this really quick before I went to Walmart. Actually, it wasn't Walmart. It was, I had a mammogram appointment today, So I went to get that done, and before I went to the appointment I needed something to calm me down, and these little, I call them little pumpkins. I put little buttons on the bottom of them underneath, if you can see that, and then it's just, I just used the thread that I sewed around. These are the little squares I got from Emily at Time for Books, and all I did, I took the square and I just used my double-sided adhesive and fit it in the square, and I drew a circle for a guide. Oops, busted that lid. Okay, and you can almost see the circle line, but I can see it. And all I did was I took some thread, just ordinary everyday thread, and I went around, you know how to make those little yo-yos. It's almost like it just, I didn't cut the corners off. I kept my corners, and once you cinch it up, actually before you cinch it up, you just stuff it with a little bit of batting or whatever. I used the Dollar Tree spider web, yeah, because I have so much of it. I need to use it up, so I stuffed this and then I cinched it closed, and then I wrapped the thread around a little bit for a few wraps, and then I took the thread and went to the bottom, put my button there, and then poked the needle through and came up on the other side, so the opposite side I was coming out from. And then I made another one and went through the buttonholes, and I made sure I went into the buttonholes every time. So that's what my bottom looks like, and it's super cute. I love it. Just little tiny pumpkins. And if I had like if I had my gold thread or twine, I could wrap the top. And anyway, I would take the twine and wrap it around until it would like make a stem, and then add maybe some greenery just to give it more of the pumpkin look. But yeah, I just made this really quick while I was talking to my sister, waiting on time to go to my appointment. You guys, October is breast cancer awareness. Ladies, you know the drill. Please go. I started going, my first mammogram was in 2017, September 2017. I missed 2018. And so I made it a point, as soon as I had a time, I would get my appointment done, and today was the day. And I went, and yes, it's uncomfortable. I don't want to say it's painful, not to scare anyone, but I would rather do that for 4 minutes, 5 minutes, getting it done and staying on top of everything. So I love you all. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget, October is breast cancer awareness. Go out there, make your appointment, and get checked, ladies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.